Welcome back, guys. It's New York session is on. New York is open. The trade I took multiple losses on Euro AUD. Finally, it's hitting TP. This was my target, and it have already hit my target. So, as I told you earlier, today my psychology was not that good. I don't know why I took this here. This was actual entry, but I took it here. I was so scared. I messed up today, guys. I did. Completely messed up. This was my POI. This was the rejection block, and I had my selling idea from here, and this was the target. It did hit, but still I lost because of my bad psychology I had today. On GBP AUD, this was a clear cut losses, but this was another entry which I didn't take a part of because I closed my computer after this much of losses. I caught this loss here with minimum loss. I caught it here. This was another entry, and I would have caught the trade out here, but I didn't took it, and I sucked up this day. My mind wasn't good. I was kind of feeling fear, and I was just forcing myself to take trade, man. So bad. So okay, let's go why I was taking this sell. If we go to Delhi, let's clean this. On Delhi chart, what do you see? It is stopped at this Delhi resistance, and it was giving some selling strength. That was the whole idea from Delhi picture. We go to H1. This is clearly on a H1 selling bearish market structure. This was the rejection zone, respected once, and it was going up and showed some nice rejection here on H1 time frame. After that, I was looking for sell-off. It did come, but strategy is working. Strategy have no fault. The fault was me. Yeah, it happens sometimes. Today was the day. Whenever you are on a bad mood, you never enter a trade. When I took this trade here on M1, you can see that on live trading clip. Let's go to M1. After this broke down, I had that in mind that if it doesn't fall clean, then it will go and take that stop loss that people would have put here. It will haunt the stop loss, then it will fall down. I had that in my mind, but I was so frustrated, so scared. I was just shaking. It happened today. I do believe it will not happen again. So that's it for today, guys. On GBP AUD, Delhi is kind of looking bullish. I had this picture in mind. This would go like that, but it fell. On a bullish market structure, this is the last market structure. Inside the market structure, another impulse came, retested the mitigation zone. Another impulse, it was coming to this mitigation zone, and I was expecting bullish price from here. Alright, on M5, this was you have seen it already in the live trading clip, right? It happens. I have to work a lot on my psychology. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, then hit the like button. Peace out.